not fucking yours. So you pack your bags and you pack up your drawers. Spend the week banging out some whore. We got caught and she started calling out for more. I don't trust women, I don't trust no men. I don't trust a single person, leaves me so depressed and hurt. It is time to close the curtain, but I'm coming up for certain. I feel so goddamn deserted, and the rumors are fucking hurting. But does it make it true? When everyone you love takes a hate at you, like Jesus threw a fucking cake at you, being grateful of life. Sleep with a gun or a knife, cause you might get killed in the middle of the night. Even when you're wrong, sometimes you can be so fucking right.
I don't know how long I'll keep on weathering the storm. Lord, I've had enough. But lately, when it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. I'm trying to be strong when everything is going wrong. Lord, I've had enough. But lately, when it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours.
Yo, when everything you have is not yours, so you pack your bags and you hit the door. Spend a week banging out some other whore. We got caught, started calling out for more. I don't trust women, I don't trust men. I don't trust a single person, leaves me depressed and I'm hurt. It is time to close the curtain, but I'm coming up for certain. I feel so goddamn deserted. The rumors are heard, but does it make it true? When everyone you love throws the hate at you, Jesus threw a cake at you, being grateful for life, cause you sleep with a gun and knife, cause you know you might get killed in the middle of the night. Even when you're wrong, you're right, when long-term goals are out of sight, baby.
I don't know how long I'll keep on weathering the storm. Lord, I've had enough. But lately, when it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. I'm trying to be strong when everything is going wrong. Lord, I've had enough. But lately, when it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours.
Freak, are you kidding me?